after Coach Rafi Comport and Sammy Davison of the PLDT High Speed Hitters who won in 4 sets against the Farm Fresh Foxes. Coach, congratulations on this win. Paano lang din nakarecover after losing the first set against Farm Fresh?
Yun lang, before the game, ang reminders talaga yung composure namin na niremind lang sila na lahat nga ng games magiging mahirap. So yung naging lesson sa amin from the previous game, in-apply lang ulit. So hindi namin nakuha yung first set, pero pinin talaga ng players na mag-recover agad.
Thank you, Coach. And last player of the game, Sabi. Sabi, you guys came from a loss. How did you guys manage to recover personally in order to get this win against Farm?
I think what tells the team is how they recovered from a loss. So I'm just glad that we, showed up today. I'm glad that we didn't take anything for granted. Point by point, we pushed the gap. So I'm just happy, especially against a team like that. We have a lot of good athletes, especially Helen. So I'm just glad that we persevered and finished it.
Thank you. First, open for questions.
Coach, sabi niyo nung nakaraan, isa ang wake-up call na lang against Farm Fresh na unbeaten. Gano'n ka satisfied sa bounce back na ginawa ng team?
Mahirap talaga yung galing sa talo at hindi kami nakapag-perform talaga ng maayos sa last game. So talagang mas nag-focus na kami sa side din namin. At the same time, ang pinaka-goal lang naman today is hindi ko pa nakita yung stats pero sana talaga malimit yung import ng Farm Fresh. So mahirap talaga silang kalaban pag lahat sila gumagana. So naging happy lang kami na kahit pa paano nag-respond yung players saka nagawa namin yung gusto namin.
Sabi yung base undefeated Farm Fresh, they improved a lot. What was your mindset going up against an unbeaten team like them?
I'm going to be honest with you, I just wanted to be the best in the gym. She's a really good player, and I knew that we had to stop her in order to win. We took care of the other pin, so I'm glad that we had really good blockers on her side, and I guess my job was just to put away the ball, right? So I'm just glad that everything kind of worked together. Each role was taken care of. We trusted each other, and going into it, we just wanted another win really bad. So that's what the mindset was.
Sadly, the franchise best winning streak now in the past. Just what's your biggest takeaways in that three-conference league that you can bring to your next game?
I think it's a long road. I mean, we're not even thinking about playoffs. We got to take care of stuff next week first, and then kind of recoup and reset, and then we're heading into a crossover. So I guess it's just day by day. How do we stay healthy? How do we maintain? How do we get better? So I guess from here on out, it's like today, just point by point, game by game.
Coach, next game will be against next set. Yung the 5-set game sila and si Paula nakascore ng 13 points. So, ano lang yung magiging mindset yung heading into that match?
Na yun siguro yung lesson talaga na hindi ngayon pwedeng maging complacent na kahit konti, lalo with next step na kahit na parang nakaka-adjust na yung import nila, maganda yung production kanina. At the same time, maganda yung system ni Coach Ettore. So for sure mag-recover saka mag-respond din sila ulit. Yun na talaga, huwag kaming tumingin ng malayo talagang game by game na ulit. Tapos yun lang, regarding lang talaga dun sa streak. Before naman napakahirap mag-champion sa BBL. Hindi ko alam bakit biglang naging issue yung may winning streak and all. Hindi naman namin yun ginogol, saka nagiging distraction lang din sa amin. So siguro lang, para lang siguro ma-market and all. Pero wala talaga dun yung focus. Yung focus talaga namin is mag-improve lang talaga every conference saka makuha yung goal namin.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Sammy. Congrats on the